With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
On a smooth carrom board, a coin located at 4,6 is moving in negative y direction with speed 3 meter per second and is being hit at that point by a striker moving along negative x-axis. The line joining the center of the coin and striker just before the collision is parallel to x-axis. After the collision, the coin goes into the hole located at origin. Mass of the striker and the coin is equal. Considering the collision to be elastic, find velocity in vector form of the striker before the collision and after the collision. So before the collision, the coin that was placed at 4,6 has a velocity as 0 I cap plus 3 minus j cap, so minus 3 j cap, and the striker is moving along the x-axis, so u is equal to u I cap. Now after the collision, this coin has managed to find its way into this hole which is at origin, and since this is a smooth surface, there is no component of friction being involved, so whatever the velocity vector that this coin acquires after the collision, it must have the direction such that it joins these 2 points. So that direction, to find that direction, what we can do is we can find the position vector of this. So the position vector of the coin at the time of collision is 4 I cap plus 6 j cap. For this coin to be able to go into this hole, whatever the velocity v final it acquires, it must be a multiple of this position vector, right? So all we need to do is, so v final is equal to a times 4 I cap plus a times 6 j cap. Let's mark it as equation number 1. Now since both the coin and the striker had the same mass and the collision was elastic, whatever the velocity along the x direction that the striker had will be transferred to the coin. So the new velocity should be equal to, and since there was no vertical component to the velocity of the striker, so the vertical velocity will remain the same for the coin. So the new velocity should be u minus I cap plus 3 minus j cap. This was the velocity along the vertical that the coin already had, and this is the velocity that has been imparted to it due to the impact of the striker. So you mark it as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, what I can write is minus u I cap minus 3 j cap should be equal to a4 I cap plus a6 j cap. Now if I compare the two, minus 3 should be equal to 6a, which means a is equal to minus 1 by 2. So similarly, minus u should be equal to a by 4, which means minus u is equal to 1 by 2 times of 4, which means u is equal to 2 meter per second. So the velocity in vector form of striker before the collision is 2 meter per second, and we know that in a perfectly head-on elastic collision, the velocity of the moving body gets transferred to the velocity of the stationary body. In this case, if we consider the motion along the x-axis, the coin was stationary along the x-axis, and the moving body was the striker. So the velocity u 2 meter per second got transferred to the coin, and therefore the final velocity along the x-axis of the striker will turn out to be 0. And since there was no vertical velocity for the striker, so it is 0 j cap. So v final for striker is equal to 0, which is a null vector, and u, that is the initial velocity of the striker, is 2 minus I cap. So this is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.